had, yes, the cement kiln inside of the pressurized steam, and it would produce cement, yes. But there would be next to no cost to do that, right? Because I have steam at 3,000 degrees. All it is it's surrounding the kiln, heating it up to 3,000 degrees, yes. Now it's an enclosure, yes, it is. And it's kind of going through this 4 hours of making the material travel through the kiln. But from the need to pressurize, there's no need there. It's actually a dry heat inside. It's like waterproof. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, the thought of producing cement while at the same time producing electricity, there's a good reason to want to do this. Yes. Cement doesn't seem that expensive to you, but for most builders, it is. So you're faced with this issue of having this powder-like substance that does incinerate very effectively. Yes, but you need to put some pebbles of rock in it. Yes, you do. Now, this was really one of those that I had to think about over and over and over. I found out that a lot of cement can be returned back to, you know, let's say you're working with Celsius. Do you know how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit? Now, you multiply, you multiply Fahrenheit by 1.8, yes, and then you add 32. Sounds kind of stupid, but I didn't know how to do it. Well, that would mean if it's 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, no, if it's 2,000 degrees Celsius, yeah, you have to multiply it by 1.8. Yes, it's a little confusing, but really what happens, yes, because when I was looking at it, they were using all Celsius instead of Fahrenheit. I was like, well, I don't know how much it is. 1.8 plus 32. Well, when I because it is possible to melt cement, yes, back to its original form, yes, as it was being produced, yes, and the cement becomes a concrete. You could take it back to the cement form, yes. Now you probably couldn't reuse it as an additive for cement, but you could use it as an additive for human nutrient. And when you put it through the magnifying glass, yes, it would slow down the combustion process, the causing a greater amount of release of heat, which would cause a greater amount of release.